Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to continue looking at ratio and proportion. In today's video, I'm going to look at writing ratios. So watch this video up to the end as I'm going to show you how you can write ratios from the statements. With that being said, let's get into writing ratios. So the first statement is Christopher has 10 crayons and Isaac has 12 pencils. Write the ratio of A. Pencils to crayons, B. Crayons to pencils. So when you're writing a ratio, you need to pay attention the way the ratio is brought out, the way the ratio is written. You need to pay attention, just not to pay attention to the statement, you also need to pay attention to the ratio. Like in A, we are told to write the ratio which is pencil to crayons. That means we start with the number of pencils, then later on we write the number of crayons. So in the statement, how many pencils have been mentioned? So 12 pencils have been mentioned there. It is said that Isaac has 12 pencils. So we're going to write 12. Then the ratio is, there we have got 12, 2. So we're going to put those two dots. Then we're going to write the number of crayons, which are 10. So we're going to have the ratio of 12 to 10. Okay, that is the ratio of crayon or pencils to crayons. Pencils to crayons. Then in B, we are asked to write the ratio of crayons to pencil. Crayons to pencil. So how many crayons? We are told there Christopher had 10 crayons, so we're going to write 10. Then which is going to write 10 2. Then how many pencils? We are told that Isaac has 12 pencils, so we're going to write 10 to 12. Okay, so as you can see, the ratios we have come up with are different. We have got 12 to 10 and 10 to 12. So these are two different ratios we have come up, and this has been detected by the ratio given or the statement stated. Like we have got pencil to crayons and crayons to pencil. So these are also determined the kind of ratio we can come up with. Let's go to question 2. So question 2, we have got in a basket of fruits, there are 18 bananas, 6 oranges, and 9 mangoes. Write the ratio of, in a basket of fruits, there are 18 bananas, 6 oranges, and 9 mangoes. Write the ratio of, okay? Write the ratio of A, mangoes to oranges, B, oranges to bananas, C, oranges to bananas to mangoes. Okay, so the first ratio is mangoes to oranges. So we're going to find the number of mangoes, the number of mangoes which are in the basket. The number of mangoes which are in the basket. So in the basket there are 9 mangoes. So we're going to write 9 there. Then we are going to put dots there. Then oranges, how many oranges are in the basket? There are 6 oranges, so we're going to come up with that ratio. So the ratio of mangoes to oranges is 9 to 6. The ratio of mangoes to oranges is 9 to 6. Okay, let's go to B. B, we asked to write the ratio of oranges to bananas. Oranges to bananas. So how many oranges are in the basket? We have got 6. So there are 6 oranges in the basket. How many bananas? 18. So we're going to write 6 to 18. That is the ratio of oranges to bananas. So the ratio of oranges to bananas is 6 to 18. Okay, let's go to question C, which is asking us to write the ratio of oranges to bananas to mangoes. Oranges to bananas to mangoes. So how many oranges are in the basket? We are saying there are 6. 2. How many bananas are in the basket? We are told there are 18. Then 2, how many mangoes? We are told mangoes are 9. So we're going to put 18 to 9. That is the ratio of oranges to bananas to mangoes is 6 to 18 to 9. That's a ratio. Okay, now let's look at the final statement, the last one. Okay, now this is the final statement, which is easy learning Z school has 10 computers. 4 of these are laptops and the rest are desktops. Write the ratio of desktop to laptops as a fraction. At Easy Learning Z school has 10, it should be Easy Learning Z school has 10 computers. 4 of these are laptops and the rest are desktops. Write the ratio of desktops to laptop as a fraction. So what we need to pay attention to is this statement. Okay. The ratio we asked to write is desktops to laptops. Okay, desktops to laptops. Now we can say in the entire school there are 10 computers, and among these 10 computers there are 4 laptops. So when we subtract 4 from 10 will give us 6, and this is the number of desktops. So 6 is the number we're going to start writing first. Why? Because the ratio is given that desktop to laptop. So we start with a number of desktop. Now since we're going to write this ratio in a fraction form, that means the number of desktop will be a numerator and the number of laptops will be a denominator. So therefore we are going to write over, then we write over, then we put over the number of laptops. How many laptops? We're told there are 4, so over 4. Okay, so now we have written the ratio of desktop to laptop in a form of a fraction. So basically this is how you write ratios. Thank you so much for watching. It has been Easy Learning Z Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video and God bless you.